show you how to make a new paper airplane. This is the Swan, and it can fly. I can say this is one of the best paper airplane I have ever made, and it flies very well. So let me show you how to make it right now. First, you need to fold it in half this way. Next step, you will try to match this edge to the center crease. Then you will repeat the same step for the other side. Start from this edge, forward to the center crease one more time. Repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. Start from the top here, forward to the bottom. Okay. Use this crease as your preference. Then you will estimate about half of an inch from here to here. I will fold it up. Okay. And then I will open this. So start from this crease. You will fold it to this point. Repeat the same step for the other side. Okay. Now you fold this one down again, fold this one up, and then I will turn the paper over, fold it in half this way. Next step, we'll make the wing. You fold this part down, use this edge and this edge as your preferences. I will fold it down now. Okay. You will repeat the same step for the other side. Fold the paper. This is almost done. We need to make the head of the Swan. So we fold the paper. I will fold it back, fold it like this, and then I will fold it like this. You can see I will estimate about 60 degrees. Like this. Repeat the same step. Back. Okay. Then open the airplane. I will push this one in to make the hand. Okay. And now I need to make the bead. So for this one, it depends on each person. I would just estimate it like half an inch, and you can make it more if you want to. You can try, but I think half an inch is best. Then remember, we make a crease already. I just fold it down. When I fold out, I see this part. I just fix it a little bit like this. Okay, fold it down. step for the other side. You're making a wing. Try to even both sides. Push it down. Here you go. Try to keep it straight. Okay. So this is a swan. Okay. Your flying paper swan is completed. But you can do one more step if you want to. It's optional. You can stop right here, or you can fold this one. I will start from this point. I will make a straight line. Fold like this. When you throw the airplane, you should hold right here and throw it up at about 30 degrees lightly. Practice playing with it, and when you get used to it, you can do it harder. Lastly, if you think the airplane is cool, you think it's fly very well, please like and subscribe for more videos.